Hello everyone, my name is Bindya Chaudhary and today's date is 25th of March, and today I like to discuss about the conditional statement in Java. So in conditional statement there are if conditional statement, else if, else, switch case statement, then there are a break, continue statements in Java. There are many conditional statements in Java. It is also known as the decision making statements. First we talk about the if conditional statement. So if is a block of code, it is execute when the condition becomes true. And we go to the if else condition. If When we take a if else condition, we check whether the condition is true or false. In a if else condition, if block we write the condition which becomes true. If the condition become true, then the if block execute, but if the condition becomes false, then else block execute. And if we have more than one statements, then we use a if else block. If the condition is true, then if block is executed. After that, the condition, first one condition is not true, then it goes to the else if block. Then if the condition of else if block is true, then it execute, but if the else if condition is also not true, then it's execute the else condition. So this about the if, else and else if condition. We can use many we can use these conditional statements, conditionals statement for when we have a conditions, whether the condition is true or false. We want to check any condition, then we use a if else block of codes. In if else, there is syntax of if else is if in a round bracket there is a condition, and in a curly braces there is a statement of code, block of code. And it is works as if first the if block execute. If the condition is false, then it goes to the else condition. If block only execute when the condition is true, otherwise else block execute. So we go to a switch statement. So switch is also a conditional statement. In switch statement we give a condition. We have a cases, just like case 1, case 2, case. If we give a condition into a switch, and we want this condition, then if the condition is true, it will execute the case. But if the condition is not true, then it goes to a default condition, and it execute the default code. So in a switch statement there is a switch. Switch is a keyword. In that round bracket there is a condition, and after that there is case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, and after that we have to give a break, because after once it execute, then it goes break. After that we have a break statement. Break statements means after the code is executed, then it execute only once, and after that it break the condition. After that there is a continue statement. Continue means we write our code and it execute that in continue for the next iteration also. This is the works of a continue statement. So if else are most important in Java programming language, because these conditional statements are used to find out the condition where the condition is true or false. In that way we use a conditional statement. If condition, else if is a means a if is a keyword, then in block of code we write a condition. After that there is a curly braces. In curly braces we give a statement of code. If the condition is true, then if and only if the condition is true, then we execute then the compiler execute the code of the if block. But if the condition is false, then it goes to the else, and it execute the else block code. And if we have many conditions, then we use if, else if and else block. We can use many else if condition into the if else block. There is a nested if else block also. if else, in the inside of if else there is also we have many condition, then we use a nested if else also. So these are the conditional statement of a Java. And switch statements when we want to find a month, which month number. If in a switch case we give a one number, then we find a case 1, there is a January, case 2 Feb, then it's execute the case 1 in a February. If we give a number 13, there is no month, just like 13, then it execute the default condition. So that's all about the conditional statement in Java, and thank you.